NBA prize picks for Friday, May 3rd. I'm Sniper from DFS Army, just one day away from all of us old people making those May the 4th be with you jokes. But until then, I got two NBA prize picks plays for you. Yes, surprise, surprise. The guy with glasses like Star Wars. Weird. Did miss yesterday's play. Got the Damian Lillard news a little bit late. Malik Beasley minutes go way down is what it is. Mitchell Robinson does cash, but we'll get right back on it today. Still in the first round of the playoffs. Still got two games. Let's go ahead and let's check out the prize picks board. Actually, I did a little bit of an okie doke on you. First, going to review the DFS Army props tracker. I haven't done this in a while. Again, it's not just me posting plays for DFS Army. Coach Will been going off. Put all of our plays in the tracker for everyone to track. Everything's in Discord. You get access to the tool I use every morning. Last 3 days, $100 bettors are up 4 units, $400. 7 days, over 6.5 units. Just in the last 30 days, up 17 units. Track every play, wins and losses. They're all in here. Make sure you go and check that out. And if you're not on Prize Picks yet, or you want to get on Prize Picks, Underdog, Sleeper, and you want 2 free months of DFS Army, use my code SNIPER to deposit any of the links down below. You get $100% deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months at DFS Army. So make sure you go and check that out. All right, that being said, let's get to those two plays I had mentioned. Play number one, using the Proptimizer, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at Mason Plumlee. More than 0.5 steals plus blocks. Projection model is this last column right here. It's at 0.72. We like that. The odds value is great, minus 145. Hopefully you get this in time. Like the video if you didn't already. Subscribe to the channel so you get the plays as soon as you can. And better off, join DFS Army because they already got pinged on this first thing this morning. Great odds value for him. He's been over 4 of the last 5 games, or 4 of the 5 games in this series. 6 of the last 10 overall going back into the regular season. So he's doing the job in the series. I got projection. I got odds. Checking those 3 boxes that I look for. Let's head on over to Prize Picks. Make sure this play did not get ripped down yet. Let's see if it updates mid-video, which it has before. It's a relatively popular play. As of right now, recording before 8 a.m. Eastern time. Hopefully it is, like I said, hopefully it's available for you guys. Play number 2 as we go back into the Proptimizer. We're going to go Evan Mobley, less than 18.5 points plus assists. Projection model, first thing I look at is 17.1. Check. He's been under in every game this series and 8 of the last 10 overall. So form checks out. Odds. Another good thing about the Proptimizer, it takes varying odds here because you see we have odds, some at 18.5, minus 140 at points, bet great. FanDuel has it lined to 17.5. It takes everything, gives you an average odds. Average odds at 18.0 is minus 124. It goes ahead and gives you what our implied odds are without the VIG, meaning it is a strong Prize Picks play because it's ranked in green with this ranking system over on the right. And it's all math-based. We put the odds together with the form, with the projection. Those 3 check boxes I mentioned every morning. Mobley on the under for points plus assists does check the box. Make sure we find the right play. Evan Mobley less than 18.5 points plus assists. That simple today, guys. 2 quick plays for you. If you did not already, hit the like button. Appreciate those who do. It's Mason Plumlee, more than 0.5 blocks plus steals. Evan Mobley, less than 18.5 points plus assists. We lock that in, make our play. Honestly, I'm hoping the YouTube/social media losing streak comes to an end. Plenty of money to be made and is being made in the Discord, so go and check that out. But I know, unless you guys see it here on social, not very happy, and neither am I, quite honestly. So hopefully this gets us back on track. But for now, here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.